Hey guys, let's make some delicious Jamaican toto cake. I started out by cracking 2 eggs and made sure to remove the eye. If you know, you know, and set them aside. In a separate bowl, I sift the flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, and the salt. Next, I cream together unsalted butter and also white and brown sugar. I added in the eggs, vanilla, and little by little the flour that I sifted earlier. I added coconut and evaporated milk, and lastly, I folded in some yummy coconut flakes. I poured the batter into a greased baking dish and placed it in the oven to bake for 30 minutes until it was done. I allowed the cake to cool before cutting it into squares. Dust the top with a little powdered sugar for presentation, and you guys, look how gorgeous she is. This was absolutely delicious.